The rusty spotted cat is one of the smallest wild cat species in the world. These cats inhabit a variety of environments, including forests, grasslands, scrublands, and even urban areas. They are found in India, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan, and parts of Southeast Asia. Rusty spotted cats are currently classified as near threatened by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. Their populations are declining due to habitat loss, fragmentation, and poaching. Being small and elusive, they are often overlooked in conservation efforts. The major threats to rusty spotted cats include habitat destruction due to urbanization, agriculture, and deforestation. They are also at risk from poaching, as they are sometimes hunted for their skins and body parts. Rusty spotted cats are important to their ecosystems as predators of small animals, helping to control populations of rodents and insects. Their unique genetics and behavior also make them valuable subjects for scientific research. The rusty spotted cat's coat coloration is where it gets its name. The fur is typically rusty reddish or grayish-brown, with variations in shade. The coloration can be quite variable across its range. The coat is covered in small, round spots that are generally darker than the base coat color. These spots can vary in intensity, and they give the cat a speckled appearance. The rusty spotted cat is about the size of a domestic cat. It has an average body length of 35 to 48 centimeters. These cats are lightweight compared to many other wild cat species. They weigh around 0.9 to 1.6 kilograms. This makes them one of the smallest wild cats in the world. The tail of the rusty spotted cat is relatively short compared to the body, measuring about 15 to 28 centimeters in length. The tail has a few dark rings and a black tip. The rusty spotted cat has a compact and slender body. It's built for agility and climbing, with strong legs and sharp retractable claws that aid in climbing trees and hunting. Their face is rounded with relatively large eyes and short ears. The eyes are usually green or grayish-green, adding to their captivating appearance. The rusty spotted cat is known for its agility and quick movements, which are adapted for hunting in its various habitats. While specific information about the exact top speed of the rusty spotted cat might be limited, we can make some general observations based on its behavior and characteristics. As a small wild cat species, the rusty spotted cat is built for quick bursts of speed and agile movements rather than sustained high-speed running. Its slender body, strong legs, and sharp retractable claws are well suited for climbing trees and stalking prey in its habitat. Rusty spotted cats are excellent at remaining concealed due to their small size and camouflaged coat with spots. This helps them approach their prey without being detected. They are agile climbers and stalkers. Rusty spotted cats use their agility to navigate through vegetation and trees to get close to their prey. They then rely on sudden, explosive pouncing to catch their prey. Being primarily nocturnal, these cats are adapted to hunting in low-light conditions, giving them an advantage over their prey that might be less active at night. Rusty spotted cats have a diverse diet that includes a variety of small animals due to their relatively small size. Small mammals like mice, rats, and squirrels form a significant portion of their diet. They are skilled bird hunters, often targeting ground-dwelling or perching birds. Insects and other invertebrates are also part of their diet, especially when larger prey might be scarce. Occasionally, rusty spotted cats might prey on small reptiles like lizards and frogs. The rusty spotted cat is a small predator itself, but like all animals, it can have potential predators or threats in its environment. However, due to its elusive and nocturnal behavior, coupled with its small size, it likely faces fewer predators compared to larger animals. While rusty spotted cats are skilled hunters, they might still be vulnerable to larger predators that share their habitat. This can include larger carnivores such as leopards, jackals, and birds of prey like eagles and owls. Although these predators might not specifically target rusty spotted cats, there is a possibility of occasional predation. One of the most significant threats to rusty spotted cats is habitat destruction. As their natural habitats are converted for agriculture, urbanization, and other human activities, their populations become more isolated and fragmented. This makes them susceptible to a range of threats, including increased vulnerability to predators that they might have had minimal interactions with in the past. Human activities can indirectly affect the rusty spotted cat's safety. For example, habitat destruction forces them to come into closer contact with human settlements, increasing the risk of conflicts with domestic dogs or even direct harm from humans who consider them pests. Rusty spotted cats are wild animals with specific behaviors and needs that are very different from those of domesticated cats. Their natural instincts and behaviors can make them challenging and potentially dangerous to keep as pets. In many countries, it's illegal to keep wild animals like rusty spotted cats as pets due to concerns about their welfare and the potential impact on local ecosystems. Keeping wild animals as pets can lead to issues like the spread of diseases, genetic concerns, and the introduction of non-native species. Rusty spotted cats have specific dietary, environmental, and medical needs that can be difficult to meet in a home setting. Providing proper care for a wild cat species requires a deep understanding of their natural behaviors and habitat requirements. Captive environments can be extremely stressful for wild animals, leading to behavioral issues, health problems, and decreased quality of life. Even with the best intentions, it's challenging to recreate the complex and varied environment that these animals need. Many small wild cat species, including the rusty spotted cat, are believed to exhibit seasonal breeding patterns. This means that they are more likely to mate and reproduce during specific times of the year when environmental conditions are favorable, and resources are abundant. The exact timing of the breeding season can vary depending on factors such as location and food availability. After mating, the female rusty spotted cat will have a gestation period, which is the time between fertilization and giving birth. For most small wild cats, including the rusty spotted cat, the gestation period is relatively short, typically around 60 to 66 days. Small wild cat species tend to have smaller litter sizes compared to larger wild cats. The rusty spotted cat usually gives birth to a litter of 1 to 3 kittens. This smaller litter size is likely an adaptation to the challenges of raising multiple offspring in their specific habitat. Female rusty spotted cats provide maternal care to their kittens after birth. They create secluded den sites, such as hollow trees or dense vegetation, to protect their young from potential predators. The kittens are born blind and helpless, and they rely on their mother for nourishment and protection. As the kittens grow, they gradually become more independent and start learning essential hunting and survival skills from their mother. Eventually, they will disperse from the maternal territory to establish their own territories once they reach maturity. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.